How to change voice on Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this two-line icon. Simply tap on it, and here on the bottom, tap on Settings. So now, we're in the Settings interface. This is the place where you can find different options and customize it. Here on the top, simply tap on Voice. So basically, these are the voices that are available. Here, you can select different voices according to your choice. Here, you can see the recommended ones too. So you can swipe and choose the one that you like. Here, you can tap on it and even listen and test out and find the best one for you. At last, tap on Done and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.